Embark on a journey into opulence as we unveil the epitome of automotive extravagance, the most expensive Rolls-Royce luxury cars in 2023. From exclusive limited editions to handcrafted masterpieces, each vehicle is a testament to the unparalleled craftsmanship and luxury that define the Rolls-Royce legacy. Join us as we delve into a world where price knows no bounds, and only the most discerning connoisseurs dare to tread. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10 introduces us to the Rolls-Royce Spectre, a groundbreaking luxury electric car slated for launch by the end of 2023. Representing a pivotal moment in Rolls-Royce's history, the Spectre stands as an emblem of the brand's commitment to innovation. With a starting price of $460,000, the Spectre showcases its prowess with a dual-motor electric powertrain, delivering an impressive 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. This electric powerhouse propels the Spectre from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.4 seconds, offering a thrilling and dynamic driving experience. Notably, the Spectre shares its platform with the illustrious Phantom, highlighting Rolls-Royce's dedication to seamlessly integrating electrification into their renowned lineup. The Spectre is not just a car, it's a testament to Rolls-Royce's vision for the future of luxury and sustainability, showcasing how the brand is perfectly poised for the electrified era. Number 9. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Ghost. The Ghost was originally introduced in 2009. The first series Ghost was designed to compete with other luxury models that came in at a lower price point than the Phantom, estimated to cost $500,000. The Ghost lives up to the brand's uncompromising luxury. A smooth V12 engine provides seemingly endless power, and the Ghost's cabin is decked out with the finest leathers, fabrics, and metals. According to Rolls-Royce, the Ghost is capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. The car provides a peerless ride thanks to its standard adaptive suspension that employs a road scanning camera to help the vehicle anticipate and compensate for potholes. Number 8. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Phantom. First introduced in 1925, the Phantom is the world's most recognizable symbol of automotive extravagance and status. Currently in its 8th generation, no automobile shouts the presence of old money louder than the Rolls-Royce Phantom. Priced at an estimated $560,000, the Phantom is the most enduring name in Rolls-Royce's history. With the first Phantom rolled out of the factory nearly a century ago, the 2024 Phantom is powered by a twin-turbo V12 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic. Typically, Phantoms are the largest and most luxurious cars in Rolls-Royce's catalog, and in certain eras, the company would only sell Phantoms to its most distinguished clients. Number 7. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe. First introduced in 2007, the Drophead Coupe is based on the 2003 Rolls-Royce Phantom, and in 2015, it was the most expensive Rolls-Royce model at $600,000. It is based on the Phantom with 2 fewer doors, and it is the ultimate baller's car. The Phantom is the epitome of luxury. It's a car built for the super rich that's almost in a class of its own. Besides being comfortable, luxurious, and expensive, the Phantom is one of the most customizable cars in production, and it makes its presence known everywhere it goes. If you're looking for a lavish vehicle and have the financial backing for it, the Phantom Drophead Coupe is the way to go. Number 6. The Rolls-Royce Phantom 300 Stretch Limousine. From its customized designer chrome wheels and hidden 5th door for quick and convenient passenger access, this limo is pure artistry in motion. You'll know you are riding in luxury the moment you step into this Rolls-Royce. Starting at $900,000, the Phantom 300 Stretch Limo is the 6th most expensive Rolls-Royce on today's video. The Phantom 300 Stretch Limo is equipped with top-of-the-line infotainment systems and an array of tech features. It is powered by a 563 horsepower 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. If you're looking to impress or treat yourself to a one-of-a-kind experience, the Phantom 300 is the Rolls-Royce for you. Number 5. The armored Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Unveiled in 2018, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan is not only the company's first SUV, but also its first all-wheel drive automobile. It comes with a twin-turbocharged 6.75-liter V12 engine. It goes without saying that the armored Rolls-Royce Cullinan is the most luxurious and secure high-end SUV in the world. offering a superb level of comfort with a starting price of approximately $1.1 million. As with all rollers, the almost limitless array of options means the potential price of this armored Rolls-Royce is almost limitless. The car appears standard to the naked eye, but the asking price is 3 times that of a normal Cullinan. The price includes the extensive work and materials it takes to armor a large SUV. Number 4, the Rolls-Royce Phantom Hyperion, unveiled in 2008. And based on the Phantom drop-head coupe, this Rolls-Royce comes with special bodywork from Pin and Farina, an Italian design firm and coach builder. Priced at $4 million, the Phantom Hyperion stands out in the ultimate luxury car class for its price, which is millions of dollars higher than those of its rivals. The Phantom Hyperion is the 4th most expensive Rolls-Royce on the list. There is no end to the customization opportunities offered by the factory. The body panels are carbon fiber, and Pininfarina reworked the shape with new headlights, a slightly inclined grille, and a shorter tail. Number 3, the Rolls-Royce Sweptail. The Sweptail is a one-off luxury car made by Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. It is based on the Rolls-Royce Phantom, and it is hand-built. The Sweptail gets the largest ever aluminum grille in a Rolls-Royce, and it is ranked as one of the most expensive Rolls-Royce luxury car ever built, priced at $13 million. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is inspired by coach building of the 1930s. The car was commissioned in 2013 by a super yacht and aircraft specialist. It is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 that produces 453 horsepower. Rolls-Royce's history as the world's leading coach builder is at the very core of its identity, and the Sweptail is a one-of-a-kind luxury car designed to meet the wishes of a single buyer. Number 2, the Rolls-Royce Boattail. The Boattail is a mid-sized luxury car first released in May 2021. It is the world's most expensive and newest street-legal car, costing a whopping $30 million. The car shares its chassis and engine with the Rolls-Royce Phantom, but has 1813 bespoke parts, including 5 electronic control units in the rear deck. Rolls-Royce is known for its luxury cars, and the Boattail looks exquisite. It is a successor to the gorgeous $13 million Sweptail that was produced back in 2017. The exterior of the Boattail is two-tone. The finishing is high-end, and the interior comes with a champagne fridge, a hosting suite, and a built-in sun umbrella. Number 1, the Rolls-Royce Droptail. The Droptail is a full-size luxury car unveiled by Rolls-Royce in 2023. It is the world's newest, most expensive car, and is set to be made in 4 different variations. So far, only 2 variations are available. The first variation is called La Rose Noire, while the second variant is called the Amethyst. Ranked as the most expensive, Rolls-Royce money can buy. The Droptail succeeds the Boattail as the most expensive car in the world, with an estimated price of more than $32 million. This Rolls-Royce is powered by a twin-turbocharged 6.75-liter V12 engine. It generates 593 horsepower and 620 pound-foot of torque foreign. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.